Hi and welcome to a new video. Today I'm sharing how I made this photo holder. I die cut some chipboard hearts with the C6 Heartfelt die and I stamped the circle with embossing ink. I will link up all the products I've used in the description box and also on the blog. I use Wow bonding powder, and after I melted this, I immediately add the Wow fab foil on top. This is rose gold. I cover the whole heart with gesso and wipe away the white paint from the foiled parts of the heart, so this gives a nice and shabby look. It's time for some color. I'm using the Brush Show acrylic mist sprays from Colorcraft. This is Scarlet Red. I wipe the edges of the heart with embossing ink, and I will add the primary Bird of Paradise embossing powder to it. I use a wood spool and add gesso to it, and then a layer of red fluid acrylics from Deco Art. I'm using hot glue to put everything together. I add some glitter to the spool with the Wow Velvet embossing glitter. The Wow embossing pen is perfect when you have pieces where you can't ink up with the ink pad. I'm using a second chipboard heart to make a foot for my photo holder, and I cover it with the velvet glitter 2 times to get a really thick coat of embossing powder. That's it for today. Thank you for stopping by. Please give me a thumb up if you liked the video. Bye!